Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be watching the glimpse of the second character, which is played by Emraan Hashmi. So we got OG's glimpse and now we have Omi's glimpse. So this is called Love Omi Glimpse. This video is called Love Omi Glimpse, and this was released during Pawan Kalyan's birthday, so because it says happy birthday OG. So yeah, let's watch this video. This is a 1-minute glimpse video. Let's watch it right away. Okay. There he is.
నిన్ను కలవాలని నీతో మాట్లాడాలని నిన్ను చంపాలని ఎదురు చూస్తున్నా నీ ఓమి.
Oh.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే ఓజీ.
Oh. Okay, Taman is really cooking in this. I'm really waiting for the trailer now. This is great. This is great. Wow. Okay, let me stop this. The very first thing you notice in the glimpse is the music, is the BGM that is used, the song that is being used here. It is so stylish. I think it. Ooh. Okay, something happened. Anyway, I think that whatever OG content I have seen, the music has been a really big standout here. So Taman is absolutely cooking in this one, and I think in the recent past he has faced some sort of criticism where okay, the music has, because Taman, when we see that he's the music director, there's a lot of expectation, but he's for some time now he has seen some mixed reviews, like his music has seen some mixed reviews, and people have been like a little bit dissatisfied, thinking that, you know what, this is not the standard that we expect from Taman. But yeah, this is like a clear reply basically. So I have loved the BGMs of every glimpse that I have watched, plus the Firestorm song is absolutely killer. So this was amazing. The biggest standout on this edit or this glimpse or teaser is definitely the song that has been used and the overall BGM. Second, Emraan Hashmi, I really like him as an actor, and him in a villain role, I feel personally, because I like his work, I think he's going to do really well. And I am actually looking forward to the trailer. Yes, because I think I saw a comment in the Firestorm video that maybe in coming 2 weeks, just before the release, we'll get the trailer. So now we know the glimpse, we've seen the glimpse of the protagonist and the antagonist, so the scene is set basically, and now we just have to see the trailer. And I hope that they don't give out a lot, because I mean, we have known the characters, we can see the character traits from the glimpse only, so I feel that they don't need to like go all out in the trailer that to okay, this is the plot point, so come watch this movie. I think that they should keep it hidden. We just know that it's going to be action packed, there's going to be a lot of brutality and all of those things, but I think they should just limit to that, and that's it. That's what I feel, that they should cut the trailer that way. But let's see, let's wait and watch. But this was enjoyable. I'm very happy to see Emraan in a negative role, but I want to know your thoughts, definitely. So yes, for me the standout in this teaser was glimpse was the music. So yeah, that was my reaction to Love Omi Glimpse, and I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on the next video. Bye.